Try this again. Phone just don't want seem to lay on its side. That's it. I'm gonna be using Rust-Oleum high heat as a primer coat on the header and the muffler for the lawnmower. I'm gonna do probably 2 coats of it and then 2 coats of the very high temperature silver paint as a finish coat. But I'm just doing this as a precaution. Hopefully it will do like it's supposed to. So let me try this again, get y'all set up where y'all can see what I'm doing, because this phone, like I said, it don't want to lay sideways. Try not to hit the stop button. Jump is just right. Come on, phone. Act right. I'm just gonna turn y'all this way. People don't like it, well, too bad, but trying to get that phone to lay sideways ain't as easy as you think. Alright, let's get this header primed up. Now, that's done. There you go, fine. Oh yeah, let's take the muffler up on top. And that's it. Turn it upside down first, do the bottom side. Hopefully y'all see what I'm doing, but if you can't, well, oops, I made a mistake. And this is going to be an 8-part series. On how to refurbish a still in decent working order lawnmower muffler. Now I could leave it black if I want to, but I prefer the silver color. At least I can see it when it's under the mower. Make sure to get everything. I don't know the exact drying time for this particular paint, because the print is so small I gotta take a camera and read the can, but it is what it is. You know what? Alright. Okay, upside down, put a nozzle. Put the top back on. Give it a while to dry. And boom. It'll be done. Now put the finish coat on. But there it is so far. All nice and primed up with the black high temp paint. I still gotta do the other side of the header and the top and the bracket on a muffler, but that is how I'm refurbishing this muffler for that mower. And I'm gonna be doing that muffler on that mower too. I like to do it on the XT I don't know. I just have to wait and see. Because that muffler is a hard to find muffler, especially the header pipe. Well, it's dual header pipe. But y'all have a good one. See y'all later. Thank you and have a nice day.